Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Yoo Yeon-seok and Shin Hye-sun fortune harmony analysis. Yoo Yeon-seok and Shin Hye-sun have applied for a fortune harmony analysis. There was an application from an overseas YouTube subscriber. They had many similarities psychologically. Even if they all studied a lot, they would have succeeded. But what do they look like as actors? Let's analyze it together. Yoo Yeon-seok is a beautiful flower in fortune. Beautiful flowers are very adaptable and like to hang out together. Shin Hye-sun is the rain from fortune. Rain is rich in emotion and delicate. Yoo Yeon-seok has a strong energy that goes well with rough action. He also looks good in martial arts in historical dramas. And he also has a letter that means popularity. Shin Hye-sun has three spirits that make a good start in her fortune. She has a strong spirit of challenging to start again if she sees a new interest in doing something. They are all cool. Let's analyze it in more detail. Yoo Yeon-seok has very strong input energy in his fortune. In other words, it is a good energy for academic acquisition and information acceptance. He is lucky to have good results even if he studied a lot. And this energy is giving him energy with the letters that mean him. However, the letter on the right is the energy that gives him strength. But it also exists as a powerful competitor. He is not in a comfortable state because he always competes psychologically, and there are letters that mean wealth and women. Characters that mean wealth are also a temperament to try to make themselves more valuable. Therefore, Yoo Yeon-seok will try to improve his value through continuous study. And since input energy is also applicable to writing skills, he will also be interested in writing and presenting activities. In the meantime, he will always be conscious of his competitor, so he will work harder and try to differentiate himself more. He looked at the picture for the first time as an actor. It fits well with the action and always also has a strong spirit of studying, so it seems like Yoo Yeon-seok is a martial arts scholar. He is a very intelligent person. Shin Hye-sun has a very strong energy. In this strong case, there are many people who succeed because they have a strong drive to push ahead with anything. Starting with the energy that means wealth, energy is flowing into honor, input energy that means study, the letters that mean herself again. She also has a very good flow of energy. So it's a good fortune structure to succeed. However, there is a competitor in the energy to help her. They all have a competitor right next to the letter meaning spouse. So they should be very careful about that because they may have a slight paranoia. However, it seems to be very good because it complements the energy that they don't have. There are strong input energy, complement of energy, and similar psychological effects. I'll give you 85% for their fortune harmony. Have a healthy and happy life. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.